to take the free kick. Good clearance, he really got behind that. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Guedes. Oh, he did really well there. Here's Garay. Oh, well timed. It's with the striker. Oh, he did really well there. Mina. It looks like we might be heading for extra time here. Striker's ball. Oh, determined challenge. Has a crack from distance. I'll be disappointed with that effort. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Played back to the goalkeeper. Mina. Now, that was close, not much in it there at all. Mina. What a well-timed tackle. Sends it long. It's with the striker. That's full time, and we're all square onto extra time and possibly penalties. Parejo. Oh, he did really well there. It's with the striker. He tries something special, and that's off target. Let's take another look at that. Forward from the keeper. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Great dribbling. Oh, it's Coquelin. Is this the moment? He should have been on target. Well, let's take another look at that. Defender then back on the ball. Striker's ball. Passed out wide then. Played into the box. Naismith, not the best header there. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. So, who can get that decisive goal to ensure this match doesn't go to a penalty shootout? Still, all to play for. What a well-timed tackle. Well intercepted. Moving down the flanks here. Oh, determined challenge there. Passed inside. And it's opened up here. His teammates swarming. And rightly so. Great stuff. And here's the build-up to that great goal. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Using the width here. Oh, he did really well there. And there we have it. Fantastic performance from this side as they book themselves a place as a...